Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import AliExpress reviews into Loox. So in order to do it, first of all, you will have to come on the admin panel of your Shopify store. And once you are on the dashboard, you will have to simply click on Add Apps. Now, after clicking on it, you need to simply scroll down a bit and select the option of Shopify App Store. Now, once you do this, you will be landed on the Shopify App Store where you need to simply search for the app that is called Loox. So you need to simply type it in the search bar and press enter. Now, this is the Loox product review app which you need to install in your device. So you need to simply click on the install option over here and you need to simply install it, and then you need to simply follow further 1 2 3 steps in order to actually set up Loox in your Shopify store. I've already done that, so you will have to simply click on open and you will be redirected on the home page of Loox. Now over here on this page, you will have to simply select the option of reviews in the left hand section. Then in the manage reviews, simply click on import reviews. After that, select AliExpress from the given stores list, and in order to basically import the AliExpress reviews, you need to drag and drop import to Loox button to the bookmark bar to get started with it. So you need to simply drag it from here, and wherever your bookmark bar is, you will have to paste there. Then you need to go to AliExpress, select the product, and whichever products reviews you want to basically import, you will have to simply click on this button, import to Loox, and it will come in your Shopify store. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.